hello. You guys are a little bit tall. I should lower you down. Hold on. Alright, hello. Grabbed a blanket. It's kind of cold in here this morning. I could put on the heat, but you know, whatever. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're doing well. As I always say, how are you doing? How are you? Today I'm bringing you along. It's like the morning. It is actually later for me. 7:38 a.m. I woke up this morning at 7, and normally I go to my Pilates class, but today's exciting because I'm getting my hair cut. And there's a few other things going on too, but I wanted to bring you along on my haircut experience, journey. Sounds so intense. My journey, because you guys always ask about what I do to my hair for my haircut, and the reality is, so I've gotten my hair cut one time professionally, like in the last like 5 years, and that was back in July. So a hairstylist who I went to like growing up, who my mom has always gone to, somebody who I've known for forever, who's also a redhead, who actually was the one when I was a hairstylist who told me what she did on her hair, which helped me decide what to do on my hair. Anyways, love her to pieces. Her name's Jessica and she's the best, but I hadn't gotten my hair cut in forever between being a hairstylist myself, the pandemic, living in England. Like I just never got my hair cut and like didn't really trust anybody to cut my hair because it's scary. And so in July, I was visiting in California because I was still living in England at the time, and I was like, okay, I'm going to see Jessica. I'm going to go get my hair cut because she's the best, and my hair like desperately needs it. And basically we did like wispy curtain bangs, layers, things like that, but I had a lot of breakage, so we kind of were just trying to make my hair healthy because I used to be blonde. So today I'm trying to figure out what the heck I want to do to my hair. So it's been like 6 months since I've seen her, which is a long time. I mean, you can go like 6 weeks for haircuts, but I just get busy and things like that. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I think I want to like grow out my kind of curtain bangs. My curtain bangs have been growing out. Like that's pretty long, considering I had them like pretty short, but I want to keep growing out all these pieces, I think. So if you look at my hair right now, it still looks so amazing, but it just like has a lot of dead ends because I do so much to it, you know? And we did like a lot of layers throughout, but like I think I might take off because I'm seeing how like I get thin at my ends. I feel like I want to take a good amount of that off. I don't know. So I'll show you a picture that I'm thinking of. I think it's kind of what I showed her last time too. Can you see that? I'm thinking of doing something like that because this girl has thicker hair than me, but it looks a little bit more realistic, or maybe like something like this. So kind of refreshing what I've got going on, still doing some layers, but longer pieces around the face. So I think I'm gonna show these to her, but I'm up early this morning because I'm actually picking up my sister from the airport. She flies in today because we all have this like big weekend of a wedding that we're going to, which is really fun. So yeah, so I'm picking her up from the airport soon, so I want to get dressed, do my makeup, like feel cute for my hair appointment. I know people last time when I made a TikTok about doing my makeup for a hair appointment, and also like people are so annoying online sometimes because I haven't literally gotten my hair done. Like I color my own hair, right, because I'm a hairstylist, and I hadn't got my hair cut in like literally, I don't even know how long, 5 years I was saying, 5 or 6 years. And so I made a TikTok being like, oh, do my makeup for getting my hair done, because I was excited, you know what I mean? And also I feel like I'd rather look cute at a hair appointment, otherwise I do feel like a little egg. People are like, why would you do your makeup before your hair appointment? It's just gonna get all washed off. I'm like, guys, I'm literally a hairstylist. Like people come into my chair with makeup on and it does not get all washed off. Like I understand the hairline and stuff like that, but like please just like let people do what they want to do. People got like so feisty with me, and I was like, yeah, I do hair, so I don't care if people come in with makeup. How weird, right? And I'm just getting a haircut, like but I always feel like especially when you color your hair, a lot of my clients would be like, I want to come in with makeup because if I'm making like a color change, I need to visualize like with my makeup, otherwise I'm not gonna know if I like it. And that's how I feel just with getting my hair done, because otherwise you kind of feel like an egg, and I wanna feel my best self. So I'm ice rolling my face. This is linked on my Amazon, by the way. I'm gonna drink my coffee, and this is like literally my morning routine. And I was gonna say, my coffee machine is from Walmart, and I linked it on my like to know, and it's literally amazing because I love like lattes, but I also didn't want to spend like $500 or $600 on an espresso machine, and it's literally been amazing. Like look how beautiful that coffee is. And then because I always get questions, these pajamas I literally got in the UK last year at Tesco's. So yeah. And then these slippers that I'm wearing are from Walmart as well and are linked on my like to know, and they're so cute. They were $16. So yeah, I'm gonna try and chill, and then I need to get ready. I know I babbled on, but yeah, come along on this fun little vlog. Okay, so I just finished my makeup, and I'm actually gonna take some of my makeup with me. If you're ever worried about your makeup getting ruined, like around your hairline, just bring it with you. This is the makeup. What do we think? All right, I need to get dressed and put my hair up just in like a ponytail or something. All right, you guys, I'm ready. Here is just the really simple, comfortable little outfit. I'm wearing this little long sleeve. These pants that I like thrifted, they actually have this like little detail on them. So cute. This JW Pay bag that my bestie got me last year at Christmas. My little dunks. And yeah, put my hair up in a ponytail, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna go pick up my sister, and then we got my hair appointment. I also haven't colored my hair since I washed it the other day, so it'll be interesting to see how much it lightens after today's hair appointment, because they're gonna wash it, obviously. Okay, of course I had to get Starbucks, so I'm currently in the drive-thru. These are the vibes I live for. Literally, Starbucks drive-thru is probably one of my favorite places in life. I'm gonna get egg bites, I think, because I forgot to have breakfast. And then I think a sugar cookie latte with oat milk. Let's see. Okay, I also have a tall sugar cookie latte with oat milk and half the pumps. Nope, that's all. Okay, thank you. Ooh, gosh, that was a little chaotic, but we did it! I'm excited. Okay, so I just got my egg bites, y'all. And they handed it to me in this cup, and the lid was on, and I was like, oh, that's not mine. And they were like, oh, we ran out of trays. And we don't know when we're getting more oatmeal. So they don't have oatmeal, but they ran out of the egg bite trays. And I was like, okay, I just didn't want to take somebody's food that they paid for. Can you imagine? I'm like, yeah, that's my oatmeal. They're really good. They're just hot. And then I got my coffee. But the lady at the drive-thru window was so nice. I always feel like generally Starbucks workers are like, Starbucks employees, not workers is such a childish way to call it. Starbucks employees are always so nice. She's like, what are you doing today? How are you? We're just like chatting about airports when I was picking up my sister. Anyway, she was like so nice. And I was like, ugh. I love just like getting to actually talk to people. I feel like, you know, everyone's busy, and people when you're working, of course, you're so busy, but it was so nice just like have that little moment of like real life interaction. Oh, like just like hit my car. Okay. She's like sweeping. Anyways, I'm gonna try this. Ah, delish. My sister hasn't landed yet, so I'm just chilling, but I'm excited for our day. That is all. Okay, I'm here running in. Where I go is the Nest salon, so let's get it. I think refreshing my layers, but I think I'm trying to grow these out a little bit longer now, so kind of moving away from like shorter, so just kind of cleaning it up, but not necessarily
so shape it, but don't take much off. Perfect.
But yeah, a lot of face framing, kind of refreshing. I think
so this bit will let grow, but then in here you want to go shorter again, right? Well, like
yeah, just clean it up basically.
Perfect.
But yeah, if you need to like kind of lightly trim those, you totally can. Because I feel like they get a little.
Just because we do heat them, I'll just like kind of clean up and texturize a bit.
Yeah.
But then really, I feel like what we'll do is we'll just meet there, and then face frame here, and then you want that all the way throughout, right?
Yeah, just to keep it fresh, because I put my hair in the real.
You're like
wake up, brother, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
My haircut is literally amazing. I'm going to fix my makeup just on the side of my face, of course, where they like shampoo and stuff. And then I'm gonna give you like a full haircut reveal, although you probably have seen it, but it's literally so good. Jessica is literally the best. So let me do my makeup. Hey, you guys, I've been like trying everywhere to finish this video, show you my hair, because I'm at my parents' house, so we got a lot going on. My mom's a florist, and she's literally like in the middle of doing a wedding. Anyways, but just full ends, lots of layers throughout to give me all the movement I need. We ended up not really shortening my curtain bangs, just trimming them because I kind of want to grow them out. I'll show you like from the back and side. I just refreshed my layers. We don't go super short. I had her take a couple of inches off the ends because I do so much to my hair for my job. I feel like my ends were really struggling, but like, look how cute. I'm literally obsessed. She does so well every time. It's Jessica at the Nest, if I hadn't said that already. So yes, this is the finished haircut results. This is what I do. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave any comments you have down below about my haircut, and I will see ya. I'm like looking down at it. It looks so good. And I will see you though in my next video. Bye.